Namaskar aspirants, this is the continuation of our video series on motor design and its components MCQ. Let's start. Our first question is to shut down a diesel engine after it exceeds the set maximum speed. Which type of device listed should be used? And the given options are speed limiting governor, overspeed governor, overspeed trip, overspeed relay. And the correct answer is overspeed trip. An overspeed trip is a safety feature provided on the diesel engine of the ship to restrict uncontrolled acceleration of the engine. Its main function is to restrict the uncontrolled acceleration of the engine, leading to a mechanical failure or untoward accidents. It is a safety device. Turbulence is created in the cylinder of a diesel engine, and the given options are obtain injection lag, help mix fuel and air, increase combustion pressure, utilize higher injection pressures. And the correct answer is help mix fuel and air. By creating turbulence, we can mix fuel and air properly, and it will help in proper combustion for better efficiency. To function properly, oil control rings used on a diesel engine piston must distribute sufficient oil to all parts of the engine wall and the options are prevent any lubricant from reaching the compression rings, prevent excessive lubrication from reaching the combustion space, provide metal to metal contact to seal the cylinder against blow-by, assure a positive means of scrapping carbon accumulation from the cylinder. One of the functions of oil scraper ring is to prevent excessive lubrication from reaching the combustion space. Let's have a look of compression ring, oil scraper rings. Yes, it is also known as oil control ring. The ring acts in a scrapping manner, keeping excess oil out of the combustion chamber. You can see this is an image of oil scraper ring. It consists of three parts. The upper part is the rail, and middle one is the spacer, and the lower one is the rail. Yes, here is one more image, but it's not showing the exact image of the oil scraper ring. Yes, you can see an oil scraper ring being installed in a piston assembly. An important design characteristics of an explosion relief valve for a diesel engine is the ability to, and the options are close quickly in order to prevent an inrush of air, open quickly against crankcase pressure to prevent a possible implosion, open slowly to permit a gradual reduction of crankcase pressure, close slowly to permit proper seating of the valve disc and neoprene sealing surface. And the correct answer should be close quickly in order to prevent an inrush of air. Our next question is, in some modern large diesel engines, which of the following is used as the support for the main bearing? The main bearing is supported by the bed plate. So out of these four options of bed plate, block, base, sump, bed plate should be the correct answer. Turbulence in the cylinder of a two-stroke cycle main propulsion diesel engine is mainly created by, and the given options are directional intake valve ports, masked intake valves, pre-combustion chambers, intake port design. By changing the intake port design, turbulence can be created. So it should be, the correct answer should be intake port design. Our next question is, in an internal combustion engine, which of the devices listed will force the compression ring to seal the compression gases in the space above the piston? And the options are use of bimetallic piston rings, ring gap pretensioning, thermal increase in ring end clearance, gas pressure acting against the back of the ring. The correct answer should be gas pressure acting against the back of the ring creates a sealing effect during the compression of gases. The size of the exhaust valve opening is, and the options are most critical in a 4-stroke cycle diesel engine, most critical in a 2-stroke cycle diesel engine, most critical in a 4-stroke cycle diesel engine if it is turbocharged, of equal importance in a 2-stroke cycle diesel engine as in a 4-stroke cycle diesel engine. The correct option should be most critical in a 2-stroke cycle diesel engine. Provision is to be made for ventilation of an enclosed diesel engine crankcase by means of a small, and the options are aperture not exceeding 25 mm diameter, fan to develop a slight suction not exceeding 25 mm of water, vent line attached to the uppermost area of the crankcase near the center of the engine, breather or by means of a slight suction not exceeding 25 mm of water. The correct answer should be breather or by means of a slight suction not exceeding 25 mm of water. That's all for today. See you soon.